one more little surprise. We are heading to Magnetic Island today. Oh God. Welcome to Australia, where everything can kill you. Good morning from tropical North Queensland. There's a coconut tree outside my bedroom. And you know you're in Queensland when that happens, right? So we are up here in Townsville, well, specifically Ayr. I'm up here with the Oz Dive crew. There's about 9 of us, and we're about to go dive the Yongala shipwreck. So the Yongala was lost in 1911. Had 115 people on board. Unfortunately, all of them were lost at sea. It hit a cyclone, and it was found 46 years later due to the World War II sonar radars. They found a mass, and they found a scuba diver found it a few years later by the safe that was inside. You can't actually penetrate this dive, but we're going to go around the outside. So Oz Dive is a Gold Coast company that offer PADI certified scuba diving courses. So I've done my open and my advanced through them, and now I'm ready to go do shipwrecks. So yeah, they offer trips around Australia, and this is one of them. So this is Corey, one half of Oz Dive. Lisa's over the back there. So I'm so excited for today. What type of marine life are we going to see?
Well, there's going to be lots out there. There's definitely going to be a heap of sea snakes, nice and friendly. You'll get some good footage on them. They'll come up, say hello to you. Heaps of rays, some sharks.
Sharks.
The
puppies of the sea, apparently.
Correct.
I'm yet to encounter one. So.
Yes, you'll definitely get them today. And with any luck, VW will be there. So big Queensland groper, 300 pound.
And we're doing 2 dives today?
2 dives today. So we'll do one quick surface interval, go back in, have another one. Should be plenty to see.
And it's a peller of a day too.
It's magic. Look at it.
Let's get to it.
Great to be alive.
First wreck dive. Sick. So much marine life. We're gonna go in 2 now. What an experience. I can't get over how big the fish were, the rays, the visibility was about 10 meters, but what an experience. I can't wait for tomorrow's dives as well. Unfortunately, my GoPro died on the way back in, but it was low tide, so we had to park the boat out on a sandbar and pretty much walk about 4 kilometers back to where the ute was to drive back to our caravan park for the afternoon. Everybody's been around the pool. I might have had a little bit of a nana nap, washed my hair, feeling good, feeling fancy, and about to go into town for some dinner. And while we're in there, we can't not stop in at the local bowling alley. Game on.
Let's go. Strike's coming up.
Yes, bro! Yes! Let's go!
All right, Morgs, day 2. Are you ready?
I'm born ready.
I am ready to see some big fish.
We're gonna find the biggest fish today.
Yeah.
We're gonna find turtles today. We're gonna find sharks today.
Ready for it.
And
I'm not gonna lie, yesterday I was pooping my pants a little bit when we first got in the water. I didn't know what to expect. I had a little freak out in my mind, but I got over it. I'm ready to do it today.
let's do this. Let's go.
Whoa. Mexican. Look what I found. Are we ready for day 2, everybody?
Yeah!
The Yongala lies on its side in 14 to 28 metres of water. This dive, we all managed to get to around 27 metres. We were greeted by our groper friend again. He loved to hang in the current. With a length of 100 metres, it is one of the largest, most intact historic shipwrecks in Australia. The marine life was unbelievable. There were no survivors from the shipwreck, and you can still see some of the unfortunate souls' femur bones in the cargo hold. Around the boat, you can also see a cast iron bath, a toilet, the engine room, and the anchor is still in the hold. As you can see, I was pretty stoked with these dives. We took a surface interval for about an hour, then jumped back in the water to make some brand new friends. Like Leroy, one of the resident loggerhead turtles. Adult males reach nearly 1 metre in shell length and weigh about 113 kilos. We couldn't leave without saying goodbye to our mate, the giant Queensland groper, one of the largest of all bony fishes, reaching up to 3 metres in length and about 600 kilos. How was that? That was great! Woo, we saw a turtle! My day's been made. That was my favourite dive out of the 4.
How good was it?
Someone's a little bit tired. So we've had our showers, we've had a snooze, now it's barbecue time.
That's yours.
Well, unfortunately, it's time to leave our beautiful accommodation here in Alva, but there's one more little surprise. We are heading to Magnetic Island today, and I can't wait to get over there and check it out. I've been cracking my neck.
Yeah, it's a good point.
Hello, crew.
Morning.
Welcome to the cool car.
Yes.
Hi, friends. We're off to to explore the island.
Island time.
Has anyone actually been here before?
Yeah.
No, I've never been here.
Dan has. What do you think of it, Dan? Give us your honest opinion. Lovely. Oh.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Are there any
Oh.
vegans on the island? Yeah.
Fucking hope not. We'll spear them.
Do you reckon we could get a?
Spear.
Reckon we get a vegan? Reckon we get a vegan dish?
No.
No. Absolutely not.
And that's Dan's thoughts on vegans. Check out this weapon. So we hired a normal car, but apparently on the island you can hire these little, I don't even know what to call it, Barbie car. It's adorable. The name of it. Topless car rentals. I think I've got to come back and hire one of these. So we arrived at Horseshoe Bay. It's Sunday, there's Mother's Day markets on. We can't actually get in anywhere and, to have lunch, so Morgan and I have left everyone at the markets and we're just going to go for a little wander up here. The two main roads at the moment are blocked off. I don't know why I've got my shoes on still. Because of mudslides, so we can't drive up there. So we're just going to try and walk around somewhere to this point out here. Check it out. I'll just have to come back and see it another day. Who wears shoes on the beach? This guy. This guy wears shoes on the beach.
It's really torn. It's like, do I keep them on and get sand in there, or take them off and then have to put my shoes back on sandy feet? We should.
First world problems.
Anyway.
Oh God. Oh God. Should have taken his shoes off. Now he's got a wet t-shirt.
I was never gonna fucking...
How are you? So you decide. So you got wet shoes and a wet t-shirt for lunch now. So we've left everybody at the pub. They're drinking beers, but we're gonna adventure.
We're continuing
Morgan,
the
Jai.
adventure.
Welcome to Australia, where everything can kill you. Today you only have a moderate risk.
Only a moderate chance. That's pretty okay, because usually it's like 100% chance of getting killed by something in Australia.
Alright, I'm alright with moderate. Let's go. So we arrived at Bremer Bay. We're about to go feed the rock wallabies. Apparently one of their favourite foods is an apple, and guess who has some extra apples left over? That's cool. What an epic experience we've had on this trip. Scuba diving, magnetic island,
Wallabies.
wallabies,
Wallabies.
and now the best pub on the island. That's got none. Cheers to an epic trip. Yay. Yeah, yeah. Cheers to an epic trip. Stay outside. What an experience. I'll do another cheers.